Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and assemble the Vever F910 heat press machine, specifically when it comes to pressing dishes and plates. So first of all, you have to have the t-shirt main press assembled. To do that, it's very simple. You can check out a video up here on how to connect that press and get it all connected and screwed in. But it's a couple screws here and one screw on the bottom, and that's it. Then you have to plug it in, and then we'll add power. But to get started, you slide this over here out of the way. Then let's say you're going to you can do two different size plates. Take this out, smaller plate, both of them, larger plate. So let's say you have a larger plate to do. We're going to put this down. You'd add the plate and the graphic, and then swing this back over. Now we need to plug it in. So we'll add this. All right, power's on. We're going to turn this on. Now with a plate, it usually needs to be a little bit higher temperature and longer time. So to adjust this, you're going to squeeze, turn clockwise. All right, that's temperature. Let's make it 250 degrees. All right, now we'll wait, let that lock in. And it's going to be longer in seconds. So squeeze, turn the other direction. Now we're going to turn this up to 110 seconds. These numbers are purely hypothetical. Depending on your graphic and material, you need to know what temperature and time setting is going to work for your product. Once that's set, you're going to wait, let that get up to the proper temperature, and it's going to beep when it is ready. So we will wait for that. In the meantime, feel free to check out the other videos using this product. They'll be in a playlist right here in this card on how to use the mug, how to use the hat press, how to use the heat press, all of that kind of stuff. Also, check out How To Video Channel's playlists and the Honest Reviews channel's playlists, because there are tons of Vever products on there that you can examine and see which ones you like best. So we're getting there. We're almost up to temperature. When it beeps at us, then we will begin the process. There we go. So remember, our plate and graphic are hypothetically in there. We're going to get ready. It continues beeping. Press it down. Now you wait for the timer to go down. So I hope you like this video. Do so by clicking on that like button below. In addition, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay tuned to future videos on this channel. And once again, please check out the other videos. We've got other Vever heat presses, hat presses, t-shirt presses, drills, all kinds of tools. In addition, we have reviews on the Honest Review channel that you can check out on these products, and the unboxing videos. So be sure to check all of those out as well. You can check out the unboxing video right here. So as soon as this is done, we're not going to wait for it to count down for another minute, but as soon as it's done, it would beep at you. Then you lift it up, and then you can swing this out of the way where you would remove your plate. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful graphic. And then this is not hot. You can touch this. The top is going to be hot, so be very, very careful. Do not touch the top. You can remove this. If you needed more space, for example, you could have pulled one of these pads out of there, etc. If you have any other questions or comments, please post them below. You can also reach out to Vever Support or comment on their website or their Amazon listing if you need any other help. So again, any questions or comments, put them below. I'll do what I can to help you out. Thank you.